My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Today, we're going to make homemade ranch dressing. Now, the first thing we're going to do is chop up some parsley. So we've got some fresh parsley right here. We'll gather it up into a little bundle and then just chop it. And we want to mince this very, very fine. So after I chop it, we're going to go over it like this and chop it down until it's super duper small. Just go back and forth just like that. That looks good. Toss that into our bowl. Next up, we need some chives. So we're gonna cut this in half, cut this nice and small, and then we're gonna mince this up just like we did the parsley. Now, if you don't wanna do all this chopping, you can throw this all into a blender and blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Looks wonderful. Okay, get that in the bowl. Now we have our chopped vegetables. We have some sour cream. We have some mayonnaise. And last but not least, we have some buttermilk. So we're gonna pour that in. It's gonna give us like a really rich and tangy flavor. Next up, we're gonna take a good pinch of salt and throw it in there. We're gonna take a little bit of onion powder. We're gonna take some garlic powder, some fresh pepper, lots of fresh pepper in here. There we go. And a little squeeze of fresh lemon juice. If you don't have lemon juice, you can put a little red wine vinegar or white vinegar in this. Now we're gonna mix this up until it's smooth. So let's test this with a little bit of carrot, and that tastes really, really good. You can serve this on a salad, you can serve this as a snack, you can spread it on a sandwich. And this is my recipe for homemade ranch dressing. My name's Chef Egg, and I want to give you the skills you need to succeed in the kitchen. Peace.